dope boy though. Dope boy though. Dope boy the album. Shaheem Beats. MeNzO. 7-3 Rules Gang. 7-3 Rules Gang. 7-3 Rules Gang. MeNzO Gang MG. Hey. MeNzO Gang MG. 7-3 Rules Gang. Shout the real niggas, man. Let's get it. Hey, hey, hey.
Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Keep it on the Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Cause nowadays everybody snitching. No, I don't trust that bitch. So no, I don't love that bitch. Cause she like too many niggas. And she like all my Instagram pics. And she wanna tell me come kick it. I'm like, hell nah, little bitch. I'm way too known for this shit. So keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. First things first, I'm the hottest in the dot. Niggas hating on me, so of course they gon' plot. But fuck a hating nigga, let's get back to the guap. Let's get back to the trap where my niggas crush rocks. Young niggas hungry for the paper, you sleeping. If I wasn't rapping, then I wouldn't be tweeting. Niggas in my business and these bitches is too. Niggas hating on me, I'm like, nigga, who are you? Oh, you want an ounce? I'm like 1 or 2. She a trap queen till they kick it down, boom. Dope boy nigga, I win, you lose. Got that 007 feeling like Tom Cruise. All about me, I don't know about you. Got the city on smash Toronto, I got you. I'm in the 510 district, baking with mobsters. On the block late nights, and zombies and monsters. Fuck being up next, cause I'm up now. In the club with my niggas going up now. I smoke too much. We the loyal team, 7-3 Rules Gang, we royalty. Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Know you heard a couple stories about me, just don't care to mention. Fuck what you heard to the bullshit, I'm deaf, men hate niggas blind, I see right past them. Type of nigga she want, I ain't gotta ask her. That's why they mad, got them sick like cancer. I don't know my name, they be calling me handsome. And shorty call me daddy, I'm a breakback master. Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Keep it on the low, they ain't gotta know my business. Cause nowadays everybody snitching.